Hello everybody, what we're doing again is we're doing some more substitution, and again a is equal to minus 2 and again b is equal to 5. So let's put them into this expression and see what we end up with. Now this fraction bar here means divide, and again this one here. So let's have a go. Now in place of b goes 5, so everywhere there is a b goes in a 5. And everywhere there's an a, that becomes minus 2. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by minus 2, well, that's a positive, divided by a negative is a negative, and 6, how many 2's is 3. So for the answer for this one is minus 3. Now for this next one here, everywhere there is a b, we'll put in a 5. And everywhere there is an a, we'll put in a minus 2. Now let's work out the top and the bottom. 5 take away 2 is 3, and minus 2 take away another one is minus 3. Now again, this is a positive divided by a negative, so it's a negative, and 3, how many 3's is 1. So the final answer here is minus 1. Alrighty everybody, well I hope that helps, and I'll see you in class.